Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to change font style on Samsung mobile and how to use font style setting. Today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, now let's see how to change font style on Samsung phone device. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Samsung phone. So friends, click on display setting. After on display setting friends, you want to on dark mode on your Samsung phone. So friends, you can on dark mode from here, and you can off your dark mode setting from here. Friends, adaptive brightness setting is here. Friends, you want to change your Samsung phone screen refresh rate, so you can change screen refresh rate from here. Friends, click on font and style. Friends, font style you want to change, so friends select here, and friends you want to change your Samsung phone font style. So friends, you can see there are three styles. So guys, I will change to Samsung one style, and friends you can see font style will change on our Samsung mobile. So friends, do you like this style? So when you can set, and friends you don't like, so when again you can change from here. Friends, you can see get this what bold you want to change, so you can change your font style. So guys, I like this Samsung one style. Friends, you want to download any font, so when you can download from here. So friends, I will click on this Samsung one style. Friends, you can see font style will change on our Samsung phone. So like that friends, you can change your font style. Friends, you want to change your font size on your Samsung phone, so friends you can increase your size, your font size. Friends, you want to decrease, so you can decrease also. So guys, now we will set into normal medium size. And friends, you can see bold font. Friends, you want to on bold font on your Samsung phone, so you can on bold font, and you don't want to use this bold font, you can off from here. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video.